This is Sheriff Franklin Hunt. Identify yourself right now, or I'll shoot you dead.
There's a situation.
Mrs. O'Dwyer was abducted. You know who did this?
They don't have a name.
How many of them do you think there are?
It won't matter. You have no chance against any number of them.
I'm riding out with Mr. O'Dwyer.
As will I. I've killed more Indians than everyone here put together.
Ambush! You seeing all this?
We didn't know what it was like. We'll make sure all this has value.